Do you know that few pineapples are sweeter than the other pineapples that you usually eat? But how do I know? I know because I am at Meghalaya Pineapple Festival 2025. Hello and namaste. I am Sandeep Bhatia and you're watching me on our channel about food, travel, art and culture called Delhi Fundus. So Meghalaya Pineapple Festival is organized by Meghalaya government in collaboration with Meghalaya Tourism and more than 30,000 farmers. Most of them are actually from women NGOs. They bring their juiciest and the sweetest pineapples to Delhi, and then Delhiites gorge on those pineapples and have a very sweet weekend. There's a very cute pineapple shaped selfie station, and I can see a lot of people are actually opting to sit inside that pineapple to get their coolest selfies for their social media. There's a farmers market at the Pineapple Festival at Delhi Hat. So this farmers market actually brings together the farmers and the buyers directly without the need for a middleman, and that is the concept of Delhi Hat. So this place was built on this philosophy that craftsmen or farmers, they can sell their product directly to the customer without the need for a middleman. So this farmers market also does the same. That is why I feel like this place is an apt venue for Meghalaya Pineapple Festival. And these people are selling not just their food products but handloom, handicraft from Meghalaya and other northeastern states here too, because it's Delhi Hat. It is known for the handloom, handicraft, and these kind of artistic products that craftsmen sell here.
माय नेम इज़ मनिंदर सिंह, आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली। ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ, ये लास्ट डे है तो सब कुछ पैकअप हो रहा है, बट फॉर्चुनेटली हमें लास्ट पीस मिल गया
पाइनएप्पल का। ओके,
हाँ।
तभी मुझे भी लगा कि पाइनएप्पल फेस्टिवल है और जनरली ये टेबल पूरा पाइनएप्पल से भरा रहता है और मुझे कोई पाइनएप्पल ही नज़र नहीं आ रहे हैं।
आप हमारे साथ ले
थैंक यू वेरी मच, वेरी स्वीट ऑफ यू। तो यहाँ पर पाइनएप्पल के अलावा और क्या आपने देखा?
बाकी सब तो ये हैंडमेड्स चीज़ें हैं, जैसे शॉल हो गया, पश्मीना शॉल हो गया, और वुडन का क्रॉकरीज हो गई।
ओके,
तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं।
अच्छा। और ये जो पाइनएप्पल आपने यहाँ से लिया, आपको लगता है ये ज़्यादा मीठा है या ज़्यादा
ऑब्वियसली
इंटरेस्टिंग
टेस्ट
है?
में चेंज है। ये थोड़ा सा कच्चा है, बट इसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है,
बहुत
मीठा
अच्छा।
भी है। हाँ, जो जनरली हमें दिल्ली में देखने को नहीं मिलता। आप भी ले सकते हो।
ये पाइनएप्पल फेस्टिवल का थर्ड एडिशन है और थर्ड एडिशन का थर्ड और लास्ट डे
Last day
है।
है।
एंड मेरे को ये बताया गया ये प्रोबेबली द लास्ट पाइनएप्पल है, लास्ट पाइनएप्पल की लास्ट बाइट। आई थिंक इस पाइनएप्पल स्लाइस के ऊपर मेरा नाम लिखा हुआ था। थैंक यू मनिंदर फॉर ऑफरिंग अस दिस पाइनएप्पल। आई एम गोना टेस्ट इट। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस। They have a lot of cultural events planned for this festival, and when we visited, there was a band from Northeast that was performing on the stage. Nice melodious numbers. You can watch these performances too if you're tired of shopping and exploring pineapple. Just sit, relax, and enjoy the live music. So apart from this pineapple festival, there is a handloom expo that is going on concurrently with the pineapple festival. That is why you get to see a lot of handloom, handicraft and handwoven stalls here, and people are shopping for these things. It's very heartwarming to see people are interested in handmade stuff. The nearest metro station for Delhi Hat is Delhi Hat INA. From whichever part of Delhi you are coming, you can take the metro. From metro station is just like 4 steps or 5 steps to Delhi Hat. Very, very doable. You can also come by your own vehicle, and there are 2 parkings on the front gate and the back gate. You can park there. This Meghalaya Pineapple Festival is also another way of having fun in Delhi for almost no expense, because the entry ticket is just 30 bucks. As Delhi Fundus, we have this philosophy that you don't need to spend a lot of money to have fun. So this is also one of those events because it's free entry. You get to see a lot of art culture and of course nice pineapples. We keep bringing these events to Delhiwalas so that they can attend these events without burning a hole in their pocket. So we are very happy to get a glimpse of Northeast, especially Meghalaya, here in Delhi at Delhi Hat. So not to be missed, but I know by the time you'll see this video, the Meghalaya Pineapple Festival would be over. But then we keep coming back with information on more fun festivals happening in Delhi NCRs. We list events in advance on our website on the events page. We'll leave the link of our events page somewhere on the screen or in the description below. Do check that page regularly so that you get to know about upcoming events in Delhi NCR in advance. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Delhi Fundus and press the bell icon to be notified of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.